If your door frame is rotting near the bottom, you need to act fast to stop the damage from spreading and messing up your whole door setup. So, first off, check how bad the rot is by tapping around the bottom of the frame with a screwdriver or something similar. You're looking for soft spots or crumbling wood. If it's just a small area, you can scrape out the rotten parts with a chisel or a putty knife. After that, dry the wood completely, because moisture is the main troublemaker here. Use wood hardener on the affected area to strengthen what's left before you patch it up. Then, fill in the gap with wood filler or epoxy, smooth it out, and once it's dry, sand it until it's nice and even. Don't forget to prime and paint the repaired spot to keep water from getting back in. But if the rot covers a big chunk or the frame feels weak and unstable, replacing the whole frame might be easier and safer in the long run. And remember, always keep gutters clean and check for leaks to prevent this from happening again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with door frame rot is ignoring it until it gets way worse, which leads to costly repairs or even door frame replacement. To fix this, inspect your door frames regularly, especially after rain or winter. Another common problem is not drying out the wood properly before repair. If you skip this step, moisture stays trapped and rot comes back quickly, so always let the wood dry fully. A third issue is using cheap filler or skipping primer and paint after fixing. This means water can sneak back in, ruining your work fast. Make sure to use quality materials and seal everything well to keep your door frame solid. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get good jobs by connecting them with people who really need their skills fast and easy.